Hey guys, Alnisa Sharif here, back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to create links, trackable links that you can use when you post your ads, across websites, and you want to see how the traffic is doing, like whether or not this traffic source would actually be effective. Because sometimes you post your links places and they tell you that they're being shown to people, and you're getting exposure, but you're actually not. So this is one way to track the traffic, and CCF makes it very simple. So, okay, let's get right to it. So you create a link in your back office, and then you select the funnel. Actually, all that means is which page you want to send them to. So we're going to say skip lead capture page. And so now I'm going to create a tag. Let's see. What's today's date? 8/4/2019. All right. So I've created a link. Okay, so you see it there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and then here a little window pops up and says that it copied it for you. Alright, so now we're going to go to one of my favorite websites, and we're going to paste this in here in an ad so we can check and see how well this traffic is doing. Right. Logging in. Alright, so now I'm logged in, and now I'm going to post. So did the same thing last time I came in here. Alright, so I'm going to post to open contacts. Okay, so I'm going to use the same campaign that I used before. And the only difference this time is I'm going to swap the link out. Okay, so now I'm going to paste the link in. Let's see, let's make that a little larger. Okay. Alright, so make sure it's, yep, take this one out. Okay, and I'm going to save it before I preview, because if you don't, it will be lost. Okay. Alright, so see how that looks. I don't think that's clickable. Let's see, let me go back. Yes, and this is the glitch that happens with this website I've noticed. Yeah, and this gets really frustrating from time to time. So yeah, now everything's wiped out. So then you got to do it again. Okay, but it did save it. But yeah, sometimes it'll do that. It'll just wipe out what you put in there. And then all your information's gone and you got to start all over. So I've learned my lesson, and so every single time I post, I always make sure I save it. Now I'm going to go in here and make sure that this link is clickable, and let's see, place that in there. And you don't have to give it a title, you just leave that as so. And then, let's see, I'm going to make this one clickable. Okay, let's start that over again. Alright, copy that. And go back up to cause it to be a URL. Clickable link. I'm going to do insert. And I'm going to save this again. And I'm going to preview. And this is actually when you always click on your links to make sure that they work. Because the biggest mistake you can make is to create a link, put it in the ad, post it, right? And then realize that the link has a mistake. All right, so then we go back and that's ready to go. And now I'm going to post that message. All right, so the next website I'm going to show you is called quickad.com. Now this website, you can create, links, ads, and they're free. But the only thing I've noticed about when you have sites that have free ads, you have to kind of watch them as far as whether or not you're getting traffic. Because I'll show you for an example. Now I created a link for Quick Ad. This was back on August 1st. And as you can see, no one has, come to the link. So I don't know how much traffic is getting completely, but as we can see, it looks like it's 0. So how you can circumvent that is you just make sure that you create links, and Club Cash Fund allows you to do just that, so that you can go in and track your traffic to make sure that your ads are working. Because the worst thing you can do is to keep promoting on a website and you're not getting any traffic. So I hope that this this tip works for you, because I know it's been working for me, as far as where I'm promoting. Because as you can see, just this weekend, matter of fact, I have 3 kit requests, and I've been getting a lot of hits from the capture page as well as the page that just shows the video. So you always want to make sure that your traffic is, is working, and that people are arriving at your website. So always keep that in mind. All right. So people, thank you so much for watching, and hit that like button, and please subscribe to my channel, so you can catch more videos in the future. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.